The abundance of water certainly constituted an attractive element for ancient peoples. After the Romans, it is certain that the Lombards were present in these places in the 7th century.
Una certezza che viene dal ritrovamento di alcune tombe longobarde avvenuto
A certainty that comes from the discovery in 1911 of some Lombard tombs during excavations to build this road connecting Dueville to Montecchio Precalcino. The opening of the tombs brought to light the remains of various objects, among which iron weapons, bronze objects, and a small gold Lombard cross. Today, the remains are conserved in the Vicenza Museum.
Una piccola croce d'oro del VII secolo, tutti i reperti che oggi sono conservati al Museo di Vicenza.
Also recently, a short distance away, some Lombard tombs have come to light, indicating Dueville as a Lombard center of notable importance. The discovery of skeletons in these tombs, resting neatly side by side, represents a discovery of great interest that will have to be completed by further investigation. On a first examination, the interred people's height and the shape of their skulls would already confirm their Lombard origins. The shape of the graves, too, and the way in which the bodies were composed would leave no doubt that these are 7th century tombs, a period when the presence of the Lombards on the Veneto plain is certain. The excavations are being carried out with great care so as to isolate the skeletons from the earth that covers them without shattering the bones that time has made very fragile. Under the supervision of archaeologists, complete body structures are slowly being uncovered. It is not unusual to discover a grave, as in this case, where the body of a baby has been placed on that of an adult. These findings confirm the importance of the territory of Dueville at the time of the Lombards, so much so that it is believed this was one of their most important settlements. A detailed documentation of the archaeological site describing the surveys carried out during the excavations will allow further investigation on the remains, throwing new light on a civilization which is in many ways is still a mystery. But Lombard tombs have been under discussion for a long time in Dueville. Even in the 19th century, a historian reported the discovery in 1780 of similar tombs near a Benedictine abbey, a short distance from here. Digging the earth at that time, 7 or 8 skeletons were found and described with these words: "Skeletons with long bones, a short distance one from the other."